Welcome back to Times of India Sports. We are here at the National Cricket Centre in Brisbane. It's a state of the art facility where Cricket Australia players, Queensland cricketers train during their off season. Visiting teams come and train, and this facility is definitely one of a kind. It was redeveloped 3 years ago, and right now it boasts of two big ovals. Right behind me is the Allen Border Field, where even India women's and Australia women's cricket team played a match last week. There have been BBL games which have been hosted at this venue, and right behind that is another practice oval where they emulate and try to get close to pitches which they could get in England for the Ashes, in India for the Test series. So all sorts of surfaces are on offer. They have AstroTurf to replicate the kind of pitches which they get in Australia. The faster surfaces, the AstroTurf kind of surfaces, and then you have the surfaces which are close to, say, a Chennai. Yes, you can't replicate Chennai because of the soil components and all those things, but they try their best to kind of get close to that experience. I'll quickly give you a walkthrough of this facility, and as you can see, the visuals on your screen right now, they have a magnificent indoor nets area. They have an aquatic center. They have a very functional gym, and players come here, even visiting teams. So had India played their first test in Brisbane, and because it rains a lot here, so this is where the visiting teams come. There's a players lounge where they can chill. There's a fully functional kitchen there. You can play their PlayStation, play a game of ping pong, table tennis, and this is essentially what you need when you are kind of coming here to train or get back to cricket fitness. This is where Josh Hazelwood was when he was getting ready for the third test. Unfortunately, he was out injured again, and now he'll be doing his rehab, and it's his choice. He can do it back home, close to his home, or he can come here, check into this facility, and there'll be SNC coaches at his disposal. There are plenty of indoor nets, and that those indoor nets feature a lot of bowling machines, some speed guns there, and the length of that AstroTurf area offers the bowlers to have a full-fledged run-up. They have a vantage point for the media where they can stand and watch the players practice. So it is definitely one of a kind thing, and I think this is where Cricket Australia has set very high standards for other boards and countries to follow. And the Board of Control for Cricket in India, I think, woke up very late to the idea of having a very state-of-the-art facility. The National Cricket Academy in Bengaluru, which is now being replaced by the Centre of Excellence, which is like a massive facility with like hundreds of pitches at the players' disposal. It's a fully residential facility, but this is not a residential facility. So you come, do your cricketing bit, and just check out. That's what they want, because 90% of the time the players are on the road, and it's just for that 10% when there's cricket at the Gabba or when there's rain in Australia, because the weather here in Queensland, Brisbane allows them to create turf pitches. And these are not drop-in pitches. If you can look behind me, these are not drop-in pitches. These are like proper turf wickets. And so this is it. I think just enjoy the visuals. There's a Matthew Hayden stand. There's a Stuart Law stand. There's a Eddie Gilbert end, and there's Andy Bickle gym. So lot of greats have been honored. A lot of Queensland greats have been honored at this facility. Right outside, when you take that left to enter the facility, it's the Great Chapel Street, and it's on the Sandgate Road. So that's kind of a unique combination to have a couple of meters away. So you keep watching TOI Sports. We'll bring you more such stories and updates from Ground Zero here in Brisbane, Australia. We'll be heading to Melbourne next for the Boxing Day test, and after that, the series culminates in Sydney. It's very delicately poised. It's getting very exciting. All to play for at the MCG. So keep watching, hit the like button, share our videos, and click the bell icon so that you are notified every time we go live from Down Under. So keep watching. This is Sahil Malhotra signing off from the National Cricket Centre here in Brisbane.